What is non-owner senior 22? Have you ever wondered what non-owner senior 22 insurance is and how it can benefit you? Let's break it down in a simple way. Non-owner senior 22 insurance is a special type of car insurance for people who do not own a vehicle but still need to meet their state's insurance requirements. This situation often applies to high-risk drivers, like those with serious moving violations. They may need to drive cars that belong to friends or rent vehicles. To qualify for non-owner senior 22 insurance, you generally must not own a vehicle and should not live with someone who owns a vehicle you can access. You also need to have a valid driver's license and meet any other specific requirements set by your state. Now, let's talk about what this insurance covers. Non-owner senior 22 policies provide liability coverage that meets the minimum requirements of your state. These requirements can vary, so it's essential to check what your state mandates. The coverage is secondary, meaning it kicks in only after the primary insurance policy has reached its limits. For example, if you are driving a friend's car and get into an accident, their insurance will cover damages first. Your non-owner senior 22 policy will then cover any additional costs. When it comes to costs, filing in senior 22 form usually costs around $25, but this can differ depending on your state and insurance provider. Non-owner car insurance policies tend to be less expensive than standard policies. However, adding in senior 22 may increase your insurance rate. Most states requiring drivers to maintain in senior 22 for at least 3 years, but this period can be longer based on individual circumstances. Non-owner senior 22 insurance is particularly useful for those who frequently borrow cars or use rentals. It ensures that you have the necessary liability coverage to meet state requirements without needing to own a vehicle. However, keep in mind that this insurance does not cover damage to the vehicle you are driving. It only covers damages or injuries you may cause to others. It's also worth noting the difference between senior 22 and SR-44 insurance. While senior 22 is used in most states to prove financial responsibility, SR-44 is specific to Florida and Virginia. SR-44 requires higher liability coverage limits and is typically used after more serious incidents. In these states, drivers may need to file both in senior 22 and an SR-44. To save money on your non-owner senior 22 insurance, maintaining continuous coverage and avoiding lapses can help reduce costs over time. Some insurance providers may also offer discounts for non-owner policies, but these can vary widely. Understanding the specifics of non-owner senior 22 insurance can help you navigate the complex world of car insurance requirements and find the most cost-effective solutions.